Zach Yoga here. This is Yoga Science, and now we're talking about the organic wave, the algorithmic wave of life. All things are made of this wave. And in the last video, we showed you the arc, the energy arc. So this wave is made up of 4 energy arcs, and I'll put them in right now. Here is 1 arc, part of the arc, 2 arcs, and that's 1 part there. And then we hit a equilibrium point. We'll make this the equilibrium points here. And then another arc here. And then another arc here. And that's what you have. And I'll hit this last part going up and this first part going down and in, with this being the midway point, or the middle point of the wave. So you see that this wave here, this organic wave, wave of life, is made up of 4 arcs. So rather than the arc just only had well, let's show you here how they work here. So now this wave has a peak, and this will be the peak up here. Peak, part of the wave, the amplitude, right? Highest part. And then over here at the bottom is the 0 point of the amplitude. So you can see that amplitude is up here at the peak, highest amplitude. Here's the lowest amplitude, 0. Now the bandwidth, the frequency moves across. It moves, this way, left and right. You have frequency. Say, this being low frequency, and then this being the high frequency on this side. So frequency moves left to right, and then you have here the organic wave of life, the algorithm. So now with the peak point here and the 0 point here, we have a middle point, which is very important. This is the point of the wave it's the equal point, the equinox. It's in the day, it's the 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of nighttime. And you can see it in so many different ways. So it's the equinox, the equal points, where there's even. And this is probably the most powerful part of the wave that you get, that you will be focusing on a lot, because it's balanced. And equilibrium and balance and harmony is what we're looking for in all growing things. We want the balanced points. So remember that equinoxes are important, equal points are important. Peak, too much of any peak will, too much heat, like at 12 o'clock noon up here at the sun, it'll create a desert, it'll burn you. Too much 0, too much cooling, you're going to get, ice and snow and cold and, very, 0. So the extremes are not favorable, but they are, they have a purpose. The equal points are where we live in life, and where things grow, and where we regenerate our bodies, and where we're going to be trying to always look for this middle way, this middle point, this EQ, this equilibrium. So this is the wave of life. And we're going to show it in the next video. We're going to show it now, same thing, just like the arc. It has 3 sections always here, 3 sections here. From this point here, it's going to have 3 divisions, the 3 divisions, or we call them deacons here, right? So you can see the divisions here are, in the next video will be about the sun's algorithmic wave, and its different 30-degree angles of light. So we're going to go into that in the next video.